This Bosch GSR18V-190 compact half-inch driver came with two 18-volt 1.5 amp hour slim pack batteries and an 18-volt charger. So you pretty much have everything you need to get going with your project immediately. There are two speed settings that you can set using the red sliding tab at the top, one for high-speed drilling and two is for heavy-duty driving. The battery slides into the bottom and then locks into place. The driver has a soft handle that is comfortable to grip. Here I'm just inserting a bit, and bit changes on this driver is pretty easy with the keyless ratchet half-inch chuck that auto-locks. And the torque on this thing is pretty powerful at 480 inch-pounds with a maximum rotation of 1700 RPMs. Despite that, the driver itself without the battery is still pretty lightweight, weighing in at only 2 3/4 pounds. Overall, these configurations allow us to work quickly and efficiently. And here we're going to test this impact driver out with a piece of wood. At the second speed for heavy-duty driving, you can see that it drives right in with barely any effort at all.